Wanting to do the egg in a bottle science experiment. The science experiment is a way to demonstrate how air pressure works. Now, the traditional science experiment calls for you to put a piece of paper that's on fire inside the bottom of a milk glass. It needs to be a glass. And you take a hard boiled egg. You want to make sure it's peeled. And what happens is the flame heats up the air molecules inside the bottle, and when you put the egg on top of the bottle, it forces the light out, and the temperature inside the bottle, the air molecules inside start to cool. And when they cool, it reduces the pressure on the inside of the bottle. So the pressure is greater on the outside of the bottle, and it forces the egg into the bottle without breaking the egg. Now, we did this a couple times. Well, more than a couple times. We probably did it 15 or 20 times. We could get the egg to go 3/4 of the way into the bottle, but we couldn't get the egg to go all the way in. Now, it could just be that maybe our bottle's not long enough, but we did find a way that seems to work pretty much every single time, and it just involves using the egg, the bottle, and hot and cold water. So before you start, you're going to want to turn your hot water on and just heat up your glass jar. You want to heat it up enough so that the air molecules that are inside are hot. So just a couple seconds. And then you put the egg on the outside just like that. You're going to hold it for a second. You're not going to push it in. But you'll notice that the air tries to kind of force the egg out. Then you're going to turn on your cold water. And you're just going to hold it. And you'll see that the cold air pulls the egg right into the bottle. It takes a couple seconds. It'll pop in. There it goes. We now have one egg inside of the bottle. It's not mashed up or broken, but now in order to get it back out, you have to reverse the process. So we're going to turn the cold water off, and now we're going to change the pressure. We want the pressure greater on the inside of the jar and on the outside, and it's going to push the egg back out. So I just pulled the bottle here with the hot water going, and in a second it will pop the egg out, and you'll notice the egg is unharmed in any way. It has changed the shape a little bit. It's more oblong than the egg shape it was, but it is a great way to show how air pressure works. And I recommend that the adults do the hot water part because it is a little bit hot on your hands. You don't want anyone to get burned, but I felt this worked a lot better than trying to get the match to stay lit inside the bottle. Let me know what you think of this. If you have any questions, let us know.